Are you in the market for a family cruising boat that you can also take out racing? Well, today we are on the Beneteau First 36.7. She has character, style, performance and all of the equipment of a true 36-foot racer, plus the cosy comforts of a true liveaboard. This boat holds all the true characteristics of a true cruiser racer. Let's have a look around. Starting off outside on the pontoon. It's quite a stormy day here in Milford Haven, so please excuse the wind noise. But here she is, Beneteau First 36.7. The first thing you'll notice that's unique about this boat is the aft cockpit. She's got a full all-over cover. When I say full, it actually finishes right by the helm. So that gives you a lovely internal space when you're on the marina berth. But all the sides open up so you can get through to the helm position if you want to. I would imagine you can sail with this up in place if you did want to sail with it up. But here, at the stern of the boat, you have the helm area, which is completely uncovered. That's quite a nice little addition to this boat. We've got, just standing here where we can see them, we have stainless steel davits here, and just going along the deck, so we have solar panels, carbon fibre pole, and the anchor hung off the bow, chain going down into the anchor locker. Let's go up on deck. Just starting here on the bow, I want to show the electric anchor windlass and the anchor locker. There's a spare anchor down in there as well. Just wanted to start there. So here we go, here is the deck. We have, by my feet here, the forward hatch down into the forward cabin. And then we have twin hatches here. This one going down into the heads, this one goes into the sloop. And then as we walk down the sides of the boat, we have another hatch here, which again is leading into the saloon. And two solar panels mounted on the roof. Nice wide side decks. Stainless steel standing rigging. Let's walk aft. Here is the big cockpit cover that I was telling you about. And then you can walk really fluently to the aft of the boat. So you've got a lovely big wheel and lots of space to stand to be on the helm. Railings here where the for sale sign is attached, and a sugar scoops transom with a removable section here for better access. Dinghy is stored here on this boat, and we have an emergency tiller point here, and then we have storage lockers here. Oh no, sorry, that's a gas locker. Gas locker there, storage locker this side. And there's the diesel heating down here. And part of this boat's navigation equipment is Raymarine. So that's the Raymarine autopilot. I'll show you the rest as we go inside. I've left the covers on today because it's really windy. So I don't really want to take too much off. But I think I can show you here because we have a Raymarine unit here, which is mounted right by the wheel. That's quite a modern, up-to-date addition. And then we have more equipment as we go inside. But whilst we are here, standing at the cockpit, you can see the view. You've got excellent visibility. See, we've got the cover up at the moment. But the visibility from the helm is really good. And you can see that everything is led back into the cockpit. All the jammers either side there. Lovely big self-tailing winches all over this boat, and lots of nice, wide, easy access to get around quick, because if you're racing, you need to move around the decks very, very quickly. Okay, where shall we go now? Well, let's go this way. I can show you access up this side. You see how easy it was for me to step up from the helm onto the decks. And we're leading forwards, past everything we've just seen. Back up to the bow of the boat, the anchor locker. Okay, let's go inside. Just in the companionway, I'm going to show you that there's some more Garmin equipment here. So we have a Garmin, I think that's a Striker unit, GPS unit. Then we have the wind, speed and direction on this side, and on the opposite side we have a tri-data repeater station, probably showing depth and speed, I would imagine. So this is more of an original Garmin system, and the chart plotter that I showed you earlier is an upgrade. So leading down into the cabin, you've got nice steps leading down into the cabin. So she's lovely and easy to get into. And then we have white leather, cream leather upholstery. This table here is a drop leaf table. Both sides lift up, and this is fully removable. So you can remove this table, it just leaves this stainless steel bar, and that's to give you extra sail access. So when you're out sailing and you're dealing with multiple sail changes, you need somewhere to put them. So Beneteau designed this to be able to remove that table and give you more space to lay your sails, well, chuck your sails down here and keep them nicely secure and up against that bar, and they're not going to fly all over the place. Right, storage. We have plenty of storage. She is designed as a cruiser racer, so above the seating both sides we've got storage all the way along there, and mirrored to this side we have storage all the way along here. Very neat port lights both sides. Now they're actually down on the hull, and then we've got standard windows both sides here, and the hatches that I was telling you about, there's one, flooding lighting. This is a really lovely light airy space. Doesn't feel small, doesn't feel claustrophobic. Very, very nice place to be. Moving forward, let's go into the forward cabin. So here is the forward cabin. We have storage here to my right hand side, to the starboard side of the boat, and then we've got the fixed double berth, slightly cut away from the heads that you'll find on the port side of the boat, but still a really good size. And again, we have that small hatch there and the large hatch up here, flooding lighting. So yes, it's a bit of a small forward cabin, but it doesn't feel it. It's nice and airy, and I think pretty comfortable, to be honest, when you're in there. And then to the port side of the boat, we have the heads. Standard heads. We go with the shower head that pulls up out from the sink, storage above and below, electric heads, and then above we have the hatch that brings light in as well. So and really nice size heads for this size of boat. I want a self-draining floor as well for your shower. So nice and compact, everything's there, neatly tucked out the way, not infringing on any of the living space. Everything is up in the forward section of the boat. Let's swing around here. Just looking aft now. So to the starboard side of the boat we have the chart table. Let's start here. We've got lovely chart storage as usual, nice big seat. These are some cockpit cushions and things that are just stored in here. It's really windy, so I'm not putting much out today. We've got all the boat systems here. This is standard Beneteau, and then this will vary from boat to boat, but we have additional systems here. We've got additional switch panel here, we've got the diesel heating controller here, and this is the VHF radio, so GPS VHF radio. Cobra, yes, it's a Cobra radio. And then this is actually a little stereo system. We have a TV here, and then up here you have the solar panel controller that's controlling those two solar panels that are up on the deck. And then you've got some really neat little storage cubbies and shelving around here. Nice lip on everything, so things aren't just going to fly off. So yeah, some really nifty storage solutions on this boat. Let's swing round to the port side, and we've got a galley, L-shaped galley of a really good size. Again, for a racing boat, for a boat that will take you around the cans and win some races, or you can jump on board with your family and go sailing. This is a lovely sized galley. You've got a double sink, pressurized hot and cold running water, fridge, and a gimbaled cooker. So this is a gas cooker. You can see it moving on the gimbal now. The boat's swaying around in the wind. She's gas hob and gas oven, and then you have storage underneath the oven and underneath the sink there. You also have locker storage above, which match the locker storage around the rest of the boat. Right, so let's talk about something special, because we have twin double berths. So I mean, these are mirrored, so let's head into this one. Really good size double berth. Nice light window there, and another window up here which is covered up at the moment with its curtains, but they floodlight into here, and it's a really good long berth. You have storage space here and some locker space there, and then just below that you've got battery switches and things like that. And then on the port side of the boat you have exactly the same. So another really great size double berth, storage in the same place. Again, port light windows, flooding lighting. These are two really nice berths. So that makes this boat so usable. Sleep two in here, sleep two in here, sleep two in there, and if you wanted to, you could fit a couple of small people on the saloon bunks as well. So you've got loads of options on this boat. Really great cruising racing boat. A boat you can go out and have some fun with, or you can go out and you can do some nice cruising. Okay, let's have a look at the engine. It's a Volvo Penta 2030. She produces just under 30 horsepower. And for those of you interested in the boat on brokerage, she is fully serviced by the current owner. Lovely engine, really good, reliable, trusted engines. You see these in loads and loads of sailing boats. So really nice engine. Down here we have the two batteries. One of those will be an engine battery, and I would imagine the other one is the domestic battery. Right, so I'm going to stay inside the boat because it's blowing a gale outside. Just wanted to give you a few little specifications on the boat while we were here. So she's 35.7 feet length overall and 35 foot on the waterline. Her beam is 11.3 feet and she's just under 6 tons in weight. A standard keel ballast, which this is 1,745 kilograms, which is just over 1.7 tons. She draws 2.2 meters or 7 foot, so she has got a good draft on her, but that's what makes her a really great racing boat. Fuel capacity is 75 litres and water capacity is 270 litres. Now this boat, if you are interested on it for brokerage, comes with a massive inventory of sails. So have a look at the advert. I'll pop a link in the description below, because the sail inventory is huge and they're all in really good shape. They're not kept on board, they're kept at home with the owner, and they're in good condition. So have a little look at the advert and have a good read of that, because there's a good few quid's worth of sales with this boat. Well, thank you for staying with me and looking around this boat. I hope you enjoyed it. She's a lovely boat. If you are looking specifically for a cruiser racer, then it's well worth considering one of these. Those aft double cabins really make this boat for me. I think that is a fantastic space, really nice sized galley, very workable chart table, lovely comfortable seating, really nice compact heads, gives you everything you want, and then a forward cabin as well. Yes, it's a little bit small compared to other cruising boats, but it's still there and it's still a really nice sized cabin. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please do put them below, because I really do like reading your comments. I'll pop up a link here for some of our other videos. We do walkthrough tours of all of our boats that come up on brokerage and anything else as well. So you'll see all sorts coming up on the channel. I also do a few little snippets now and again of just what else goes on around Milford Haven and around our company. I've done a boat launching video and things like that, so keep an eye out for those coming up. I'll put a link here as well so that you can have a look at our channel. Please do subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.